Charlie, how you going?
Good. Yes.
That's good. Hey, this is a test for you
Yeah.
to see how observant you were, and guess what?
Yeah.
You failed the test. You know why?
Why?
Think about what you could have seen in this car that you would have been able to observe. Have you noticed anything in this car that's different to normal?
Yeah.
What did you see?
Well, quite out there.
Can I have a look?
Yeah. It's
Let's have a look.
Oh. Wow.
Pretty cool looking seat, eh?
Yeah.
It's fairly light, but it's got steel rails on it. But it's new Race Tech seat with a head restraint on it. So that's what I've bought for the S15. So what we're going to do is figure out a way to get some mounts welded up in the S15, because at the moment it doesn't quite fit. So we need to go get some steel for that. But are you keen for a bit of a challenge to get this fitted in the car today?
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool, eh?
Oh, jeez. Yeah, a bit small for the seat, but.
Could almost lock you in the back there and go cruise around town in it. If you can direct me to the Dorvik steel, then we'll go get some steel for this seat. Oh, we've got the steel, Charlie. What else did we just do then?
We did some kind of charity
We did.
or whatever, or a fundraiser for McKillop.
There's basically a whole jar of snake oils. You just have to guess how much is in it. So
Oh, let's see.
what do you think of these wheels, Charlie?
They are really cool.
I'm just borrowing them just to see if we can get it like fitted up.
They actually look super cool on this car though.
They do. They're not quite the right offset. They're a 10.5, but the offset's a plus 22, so it doesn't quite fill the guards out. This is the 10.5, but the 9.5 is actually meant to be the front. So I've actually got the front wheels, or the back wheels on the front. So it's is that full lock? Yeah, it doesn't scrub. We go back the other way. It doesn't scrub anyway. Not when it's up off the ground.
Yeah.
If it didn't have the wide body kit, then it would have been perfect.
What kind of wheels are they?
They're a work. I think they're a XD9 or 9. I can't remember. Something with 9 in it. D9Rs, not XD9s, but they still look cool.
Yeah.
So I may not buy them yet because they don't quite fit, but at least I can measure the size I need of them. What do I do?
Anywhere like above these dots, just tap. Just tap randomly.
Like
Yeah, just spam it. Anywhere. Yep, nothing.
do I win something normally?
Not necessarily, no. It's just nothing.
Just nothing.
Yeah.
Huh. I was very excited for something cool, and then I just got nothing.
Yeah.
Alright, so Charlie, what the plan is today, see this bar here?
Yeah.
Got to chop that one out.
Yeah.
Got to possibly remove these, but maybe not, because that's where the harness bolts to.
Yeah.
We'll rip that one out if we can. We're going to weld in a new bar across there and across the front,
Yeah.
and that's what we'll bolt the rails to.
Yeah.
And hopefully we can get it so it doesn't hit that bar or that one or that one. Because at the moment it hits all 4 of those bars support, because it's already been pretty hacked. So whoever had it before me has done a pretty good hack job of it already. So it looks pretty dirty. So I'm not worried about chopping that out. It doesn't need to be there, and we'll re-brace it with a new bar. So that'll be good.
Because I was just gonna say, like putting the seat in and seeing if it like bumps against here at all.
Yeah, I can tell where it bumps. Right here where your hand is,
Yeah.
the shoulder support hits that,
Yeah.
and the head restraint hits that, or just above it. So we actually need to just get it really low so it clears that, but far enough forward and tilted at the right angle to clear that. Otherwise, I'm going to have to modify that
We can end up
bar.
like hammering this down
Yeah,
a bit.
yeah, we'll hammer that down a bit, and
Yeah.
yeah, we'll do.
Turn it into a bit more of a bowl. So that
Yeah.
you can put inside of it.
Yeah, so just a little bit of creative chopping and changing, and it'll fit in there nicely. And the trick is to get it centered so it's in line with the steering wheel, because you don't run the steering wheel off sideways, otherwise it's just a pain to steer. So we'll get the angle grinder out and do some chopping. It's my favourite thing. Just tear it off. Almost there, I should have just cut it. There we go. Got it.
There we go.
Well, there you go, Charlie. There's one brace chopped out. Bit of a mission, wasn't it, to get that out? But we can now measure up the steel bar to go in there. I just got to clean up this part here and this little bit. Then we'll be good. Well, I'll put the seat in. This is a bit of a dummy fit. See where it'll fit good, and then we'll mark it and then weld it in. Well, there you go. That's all the bits of metal, Charlie. I'm grinding. Yeah, there's all the metal chunks, Charlie. Jeez, how crazy, isn't it? How's that feeling there?
Seat's gone off this thing, but yeah, that's like straight.
You're a bit small for that seat, really, aren't you?
Yeah. My mum's car is like, it's this seat's heaps further forwards and heaps taller.
Yeah.
So,
Well, how tall are you?
how tall are you? How tall are you?
I'm 188 centimetres, so 6'2", I think. So you're a bit shorter, which is probably why,
I'm like
why you can't
5.
reach. Well, Charlie, we've come to the end of the battery, the end of our activity, and your mum was wondering where we are. So, did you learn anything today?
Putting a seat in is fun.
It is very fun, and it's also very time consuming. It's not as
Yeah.
easy as it, and quick as it looks, does it? Any updates on the Skylines, what we have sold on it?
Nah. Leighton got the axle out.
Yeah, I got one axle out. The other one's still stuck, so
Yeah.
we'll get there soon. Any other final parting words?
Seat's company.
The seat is awesome, eh? It's actually the cheaper one out of the Race Tech ones, but
Really?
yeah, the more expensive one I didn't quite fit in it right, so and this was cheaper. So awesome.
Yeah.
See you guys next week. And we're gonna dream about drifting. See ya.